Happy Vlogmas. So today I'm about to run to Walmart to pick up some supplies to make reindeer beers for my friends and family to give out for Christmas gifts. I wanted to kind of switch up my content a little bit because I know I'm always looking glam, always in front of the lights, but I really wanted to just kind of vlog a little bit today and to also show you guys how to make reindeer beer, just in case you want to give like your kids something, your friends, your family, your co-workers. It's a really cute and affordable gift. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head to Walmart. So I'll see you guys there. So I hardly ever vlog in the car. Sometimes I'm a little private, like I like to keep things private. I had got a comment on the video the other day that said, I really like your content. You should really try to promote yourself more and to also vlog a little bit of your daily life. But I don't know, you guys, I just feel like I'm so private and I just don't know, but we're gonna do it today. I feel like I'm gonna go get my nails done because when I record for the reindeer beer, I don't want you guys to be looking at these nails. Look at these nails. I almost want to just kind of take them off. You feel me? Let me just get up out of this car real quick. I'm just kind of dreading it. So I'm gonna put my headphones in so you guys can hear me, and we're gonna go. And I thought this iridescent table cover was so pretty. I think it could be used as like a backdrop or something like that, or even like something to cover my table so that when I create my reindeer beer, I have something cute to lay on top of it, guys. So for me, sometimes I have to improvise with what I have, and this will be so cute as a backdrop, right? It's only $2 too, so we're gonna check this out. I'm looking for supplies. I haven't shopped for art supplies in a long time, but this is what I need, but I need like brown. Oh, they actually have this color. Super cute. So this is what I decided to go with. I got the brown ones. This is the last pack, so I'm just gonna use those. I got these Wiggly Eyes. So cute, right? Pink is my favorite color, so I got some pink pom-poms and some red pom-poms. Now I just need some like decorative stuff to put on the actual bottles and get the bottles, and then I'm out of here. I'm gonna get some of this. No, I'm gonna get this one for sure because these are easy, like really easy ways to decorate bottles. So now I done came to Dollar Tree, and look, they actually have these. I hate they're only $1. I should have came here first. What was I thinking? Look at these, a blue one, and I'm gonna get pink one. So you guys, in order to shoot this, I have a light right there. Remember that tablecloth that I got? I didn't get my nails done, so don't mind that. I also have my computer here so I can remain in focus, and my camera. I really want to do this like you can see it from this angle, and then I go ahead and create it for you like this. So this is the setup that I'm kind of working with. So let's get started. So between Walmart and Dollar Tree, I was able to find all of these supplies. So we're gonna push those out the way. I have my hot glue gun, some root beer. I have some brown pipe cleaners that I picked up from Walmart. And I'm going to first go ahead and create the ears. These are a little long at first, but I do change them a little bit later. And I'm just twisting them around to create the illusion of ears here. And I do that on both sides. From here, I kind of go ahead and attach the pipe cleaners to the actual root beer to create the ears. And isn't this so cute? I just love it, even though my ears are a little bit long. And then I go ahead and cut them because I wanted them to be a little bit shorter because they were looking like antlers instead of reindeer. Then I take my hot glue gun and I take some of those wiggly eyes that I got, and I'm just going to place them directly on the bottle to create the eyes of the reindeer beer. It's not hard, you guys, and this is such a great project to do with your kids or your students or your friends, or even yourself if you want to create gifts for the people you love. And it's really cheap. And then I went and put the red ball on the nose to create Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I found this really cute leather ribbon almost from Dollar Tree. It was $1, you guys. And I just decided to go ahead and wrap it around the reindeer beer. And then I'm going to take some hot glue, and I'm going to just make sure it's nice and secure on the back of it. And I kind of covered it up so you won't be able to see it. So yeah, isn't that cute? I'm so excited about this project. If you guys cannot tell, And then I got these cute little ribbons from Dollar Tree. They actually have smaller ribbons, but I was checking out, so this is what I really got. And I just put that right in the middle of Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer because I wanted it to have the illusion of a present. And I just think it's so cute and creative. And look at that, you guys. I'm literally done. So yeah, the rest of this, I'm just gonna let it play so that you guys can see how I created the girly version of the reindeer beer. And I just love this so much. So yeah, go ahead and enjoy it. All of the things that I've been using to create here in my root beer. I'm just editing for you guys. I'm gonna add this last clip and then go ahead and upload. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and close out the vlog. I know it was super short because I really wanted to get straight to the reindeer beer. So far, I've only created 2 of them. Isn't this cute? Like, this is such a cute idea. And you can even put them in like little wine bags and give them to your friends and family, especially like your coworkers who are in quarantine and you just kind of want to give them something kind of cute and cheap. This is such a great way to give back without breaking the bank and showing people you appreciate them. What you can also do with your reindeer beer is add little tags on them, to and from tags. Maybe you can give them something sweet, say a sweet little message to them. I'm just gonna go ahead and eat some dinner. I went ahead and picked up Zoe's Kitchen. If you're in Houston, or if you have a Zoe's Kitchen in your area, this is my favorite thing to eat ever. I like the chicken and salmon kebabs. I only eat chicken and salmon, so yeah, that's that. By the way, I got this from Kroger. If you have a Kroger in your area, they do sell this. This is a really good root beer, by the way. It's a little pricey. I think it's like $5, but they have the I.B.C root beer, which is super cheap, and it's also red, but it was all out of stock. So I don't know if people are going out and getting reindeer beer or what, but I'm just really excited about how it's going to come out. So yeah, y'all, thank you so much for watching this video and getting to the end of this vlog. And I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a happy root beer. Funny, right? All right, y'all.